तो गुड गवर्नेंस स्कीम या नरेगा की बात करें तो जो हमारे एससी है एसटी है उनके लिए टारगेट है कि नहीं इनमें इतने आपके जॉब का है जो शुरू फ्राइडे उनको 70% आप हाउसेज दे दीजिए बाकी लोगों से जिनकी हालत उनसे बेहतर है। तो ये सारी चीजें एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियो खुद मॉनिटर करेगा कि वो खोलेगा खुद और उन पे जो भी ग्रीवांस होगी उस पे एक स्टेप उठाएगा। करना क्या है, ये सारी स्टेप्स इसलिए हैं कि हम गुड गवर्नेंस को एक सिमत में लेके उसकी जो बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स है इनके बेसिक पिलर्स है उन्हीं के तहत आज कोशिश की जाती है हर एक काम किया जाए।
Government has started providing online services. So these services, include the providing the subsidy, inviting the application. So there is a mega project. This is HADP project, Holistic Agriculture Development Program. This comprises 29 projects, and out of 29 projects, 16 projects are directly dealt by Agriculture Department.
डेफिनेशन आई यूएनओ वगैरह डेवलपमेंटल मिलियन जो गोल्स थे, तो ये सारी चीज़ें हासिल करने के बाद एक और इंडिकेटर ऐड हो गया जिसमें ये बोला गया कि नहीं, गवर्नेंस जो इंडिविजुअल है, इंडिविजुअल नीड्स गवर्नेंस आल्सो। तो अगर गुड गवर्नेंस जो एस्पिरेशन फॉर ए डेवलप्ड सोसाइटी, डेवलप्ड इंडिविजुअल, डेवलप्ड नेशन, डेवलप्ड वर्ल्ड, तो वो पूरा हो जाता है। तो इसलिए गुड गवर्नेंस वीक को, गुड गवर्नेंस डे को सारी दुनिया में मनाया गया और हमारे यहाँ ये दिन कोलैबोरेट किया गया वाजपेयी जी के बर्थडे के साथ, जो 25 को है उनका बर्थडे, उसके इसलिए आज और इस साल का जो, क्योंकि जो आज का ये डे मनाते हम, ये बहुत ज़रूरी बात है जो मैं
बड़े सॉलिड माइंड्स, और खासकर मैं बड़ा शुक्रगुजार हूँ चीफ हस्बेंड्री का एंड एनिमल हस्बेंड्री का, एंड इनको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट भी करूँ कि हमारा नीति आयोग में इनका एक अच्छा सा प्रोजेक्ट ऑलमोस्ट ½ करोड़ का हमारा अप्रूव हो गया है।
It means that how we are going to change the quality of life of the common people by good governance. If we see that it is on the presentations or it is on the papers, no, I personally feel that whenever we go to the district chief husbandry officer, he is either in the field or he is either in the meeting with the district administration, and that has significantly lead to the redressal of the grievances, that has lead to the change in the perception towards the sheep husbandry in district Baramulla. Coming to the objectives of the good governance theme for the week, it was to promote citizen-centric governance, and that is what district administration is doing, and that as an officers what we are doing. Pardon me, I am not comfortable with the mic to be here, so if it would have been in the hand, I think I will be audible like this. Is doing. That's our first thing, to go to the public. If I say that in the last 2 years now, it started under, as the worthy chief agriculture officer told about HADP program. That is one of the initiatives of the government. If I say that there will be hardly any panchayat in district Baramulla where the word HADP has not reached. We have been able to conduct almost 3 days in every panchayat of the district to tell the public that what the agriculture and allied departments are offering you. Pertaining to sheep husbandry, I will say that we have been able to motivate the public, motivate the people that the time is bygone now. That time has passed when it was condemned. Rearing sheep husbandry. Jabki, if I will say it was a condemned word. But now the perception is being changed, and that I called the good governance. When the people are understanding that we are able to earn our respected livelihood from this rearing sheep husbandry. I can quote numerous examples where we have doctors, PhD holders right now coming to sheep husbandry and telling that it is going to be entrepreneurship. It is going to fetch us much better livelihood than the other government opportunities. So we feel that by promoting good governance, we are reaching to the citizens, to the common people, and we are able to ensure that their perception is changed about the sheep husbandry, particularly in Baramulla.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये जो है गुड गवर्नेंस का वीक इट वाज ए प्रोलॉन्ग्ड प्रोग्राम फ्रॉम 19th of December to 24th of December. Nationwide it was being organized. The basic theme was how to address the grievances of the masses. We have a big country and it is spread over multiple number of union territories and states. J&K is one of the UT in the country, and the masses are not aggrieved, I must say. Masses are so comfortable. But during deliverance, government offices and officers definitely face these challenges, and this is actually the platform where all such grievances which are being put forth by the masses on different platforms, maybe in shape of applications, hard copies, or e-portals we have meant for this at national level and at the UT level. So we just have some sum up of these grievances, and all district officers and all offices arranged special camps, grievance redressal camps, and the dissemination of all the information which is on government portals and services that was being carried out. And I believe it was a wonderful program, and this was a wonderful week we celebrated, and I believe maximum number of grievances have been addressed, and there will be definitely a good result, and there will be definitely a solution for all such grievances which has been put forth throughout the week.